Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel biologycolony. In this video, we are going to discuss respiratory system of Herdmania. So respiratory system of Herdmania contains no such respiratory organ. So the respiratory organ are absent that are specifically involved in the gaseous exchange, but there is present a rich network of highly vascular blood vessels on the pharyngeal wall that are very thin and thus enable the gaseous exchange. So the water current carries the dissolved oxygen and it enters the pharynx, and as you can see in this diagram, there are these stigmata that are found on the pharynx wall, and it is highly vascular with the longitudinal vessels, transverse vessel, intra and interstigmatal vessels that are found in it, and also there are longitudinal folds and papillae that increases the respiratory surface on the test. Next, respiratory pigment of blood seems to be incapable of absorbing any oxygen. So what happens is that the blood contains veneidocyte cells that were believed to be involved in respiration, but they perform no such function. And there are also vascular trabeculae that are found in atrium or atrial cavity that are capable of gaseous exchange. Now test also acts as an accessory respiratory organ, as it contains vascular ampullae. As you can see in this diagram, these knob-like structure are the vascular ampullae, and they are attached to each other uh, in a network of blood vessels, which help in gaseous exchange through the surface of the test. So this is the cross section of the test surface. It contains terminal lobes of vascular ampullae, and it also imparts a red color to the test layer. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Biology Colony, and do check out the playlist for the animal kingdom. Bye.